Hey, what's up, everybody? It is November 1st, and I just got waitlisted on those Jordan 1 Fearless on the Foot Locker app, Champs Crash. So I think they're going to be a little bit more limited than what I expected. But we'll see what happens. Hey, man, my scenery back there kind of dope. Look at that, man. Look at this. Man, that's kind of dope back there. Like do a selfie or something. Anyway, so I got another pickup. Man, 2 pickups in less than a week. It's been a minute since I've done that, but you see that Just Do It tape on there, the black and gray Just Do It. So it's from Nike. Again, like I said, my motto has been not to spend that much money on shoes, but this is a shoe that, you know what I'm saying, as I open it up, this has been a shoe that I wanted. And it's not the one that I originally wanted, but I kind of just wanted this shoe just because I've heard a lot of good things about it. But it's been one of those things that's been hit or miss, depending on the person and what they like. But you see the receipt there from Nike. All right, another orange and white Nike OG box. So these are the Nike React Element 87s. These are a colorway that it's not the original ones and stuff like that. It ain't one of the ones that's going for like $550, $600 on StockX, because I ain't paying that. But like I said, I did want to get the shoe just to see how I feel about it. Hold up, my camera cricket. Hold up. All right, cool. Like I said, I just want to get the shoe to see how I feel about it, because I've heard a bunch of mixed stuff about it that they don't like the fact that the shoe is see-through, the material gets dirty easily, all this other stuff. But here it is right here, bam. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section. This is the colorway, color code or whatever on this. This one is Moss Black and Eldorado. Eldorado. I grew up in a place called Eldorado, so I don't know whichever one you want to call it. But anyway, all right, so here they are. This is a size 12. Like I said, I've never had the shoe before, so I was always told to go at least a half a size up on these because they fit kind of snug and then my feet are wide, so that's what I did. But like I said, you can see that the inside of the shoe is see-through. So like I said, a lot of people don't like that mesh look. They said that it gets dirty easily. But anyway, you have like the clear upper, the black Nike check, the moss or green there, and then you have the brown on the thing, on the around the laces, and then the blue and white laces. I don't know if that's 3M. That would be dope if it was. But even here, I don't know if you guys can see this. Probably not, but it's an orange Nike check on there. The bottoms are kind of cream and off-white. Don't like that, but we'll see what happens. In the inside of the shoe is that Coke material. I like that Coke material on the shoe. You know what I'm saying? But anyway, here's both of the shoes. On the back of them, you do have the 3M on the back of the shoe. Like I said, I'm really feeling this colorway of the shoe. It's going into the fall, so I feel like this would be something that I can rock in the fall. Very light shoe. You know what I'm saying? So we'll see what happens, man. We'll see. You guys let me know in the comment section if you own a pair of the 87 Reacts. Now I know they got the 55 or something like that. There was a couple of colorways I liked on that. But yeah, man, you guys let me know what you think about this shoe in the comment section below. Oh, on the toe box, you got the black Nike swoosh there. But anyway, man, look at this shoe with that scenery. Look at that. Man, look at that with that ambiance. Look at that. Let me do that. Hold on, let me pause right there. Boom. Man, you know what I'm saying? Just that might be a dope pic. I might put that on Instagram. Anyway, y'all let me know what y'all think about this shoe. Comment below. Let me know if you own, what's your favorite colorway in it, and if you do own one of these shoes, what do you like, dislike about the shoe. It's your boy Truth. I appreciate you guys tuning in. I'm out.
Them hard, I should cop me a pair. Jordan ain't the only one that's in air. As I'm walking upstairs, I prefer that you follow me up there, but you still gotta know what you wear. I'm so good.